Yes. So we have discussed about pricing yesterday. So can you go ahead with some of your questions on the pricing in yesterday's topic? Pricing. So what are the questions you guys have?
Hello?
Yeah, you have any questions?
Yeah. Ravi, I have one question. For
Yeah.
example,
Yeah.
if you go to the condition types, right?
Uh-huh.
For example, if you go to PR00,
Okay.
you see the pricing procedure.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's like, for example, it was M5LST, something like that.
Okay.
But if I go to other condition types,
Uh-huh.
one second, like even MWST,
Uh-huh.
this for text, right?
Yes, yes.
And even AZWR, SKT, whatever
Yes, yes,
written. I
yes.
did not find any pricing procedure. Why?
No, you don't find any of the pricing process there. That will come from the standard taxation which this particular customer belongs to. So let me go ahead, log in. Yeah. So let me go into BP information. For example, yesterday's example we're talking about 1400 customer used, isn't it? So where do you find output tax? Tax applicable in
It's in
product
the
or
item details, right?
yes.
In the material. Are we going to 5405 again?
Yes, 5405 which should be the standard document which we will follow in the entire session. One document understood is 100 documents. So 5 minutes call చేస్తాను క్లాస్లో ఉండదు సార్ కాల్ చేస్తాను ఓకే So the BP like what we are seeing in 5405 is what is the number? Oh,
1400.
I'm in CR and
Ravi, do you teach any third module also? Apart from CLM and SG?
yes, IS utilities and TIPCO is another thing. I do only projects. I don't give them the training, but I give them the integration process in the TIPCO.
What is TEPCO? Like I've heard it's very upcoming then.
Yes, yes, it is not an upcoming thing. It's a 40 years old middleware tool. It's which is available in the market.
The same thing, like started by some Indian only, right?
It's not an Indian product at all, but yes, a lot of Indians have joined in the latest stage in the R&D. Today's
It's not
TIPCO,
started by an Indian, like
no,
the
no,
Indian origin guy?
one of the guy in the starters contributed by Indians, but it is not an Indian product at all. It's also German. This is 1400, right? So the customer
Yes.
1400, I'm trying
Yes,
to,
that's 1400.
yeah. So this is what we have used in 5405 document.
Yes.
So what is the product we are using here?
P109?
P-109, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
MM03.
3.
So how many views have in a product? We have in a product. How many
13?
views?
13 or 11? 13. Or 27.
Yes. So how many are related to SD directly?
One is for general, sales area 1, sales area 2, and plant.
Sales general plant, sales text. Basic data 1 and data 2 is related to every module. This is also belongs to SD. This is another view which you have to remember. So why am I going to 1400 only P-109? Because what is the reason?
Order 5045 has.
Yeah, order 5405 has, we are trying to understand, because once you understand this logic, you can get into the real-time customization very easily. What is this LIFO data? FIFO? First in, first out, last in, first out. So if you have such kind of process, that also can be
actually use in logistics and warehousing.
Yeah, logistics business a lot. Let me first get into my pricing control, define and assign pricing procedure. So your question was about the pricing determination, isn't it?
Yeah, pricing procedures, yes.
It is maintain pricing procedure or
No, in the
RVA 001?
condition, in the condition types, there was no pricing procedure.
No. So in a pricing procedure, there will be a condition type.
No, but for example, if there was a pricing
There was some
procedure
like
which-
MWST from where it is coming. That's your question, isn't it?
Yes. In MWST, I did not find any pricing procedure.
Hmm. So this is a procedure, right? RVA 001. Your doubt is?
I think 5405 it's ML5ST1 something.
Just a minute. Here it is MWST condition type. It is there in the procedure. And here you can see for this MWST, what is the requirement?
Plant is 10.
If the plant is not there, then automatically this is not going to work. That's why we call it as a requirement. So though the conditions are there, but conditions have some more elements of control. So calculation type is the base type is 16. What is 16? Right? Net work data actually. So that is again, so net value plus wherever the work data is available, there it is going to calculate. What is account key? What is MWS? Account key is Innunai. You're not writing the notes, just seeing the movie, that's it. MWS means, write those points. If you'll not answer and not write this. MWS, taxes on sales and purchase. This is going to be a definite question. What are the other account keys available?
ERL.
ERL, ERS, ERU and ERF, right? These are all four. The most important. When this discussion is going on, you have to write a running note. You have to write some points. It's not like observing. By observing, you will not remember anything. Have a habit of writing, because I will not dictate this is account key, right, number one. Every time I cannot say like that. Okay. Again, second time also we'll discuss about this account key. Then that time you'll understand. And see, this MWST, AZWR, they have a very important system here, VA. Display condition records,
VK13.
VK30. So, if you can see, it has most of the European countries. The country DE, departure country is Germany, and destination countries could be what it is mentioned here, valid to. So that is the reason it is calculating 16%. How it is calculating? Where should we check?
5405.
Where will we see this tax in the pricing procedure? The front end. Where will we see? I want to see this MWST in the sales transaction, SD transaction. Where should I see?
The item category details. Item details.
So you are logged into the system already, Anurag?
No, I'm not.
VA03. Where should we see? Pricing analysis. Analysis only we can see that. How do we do pricing analysis?
Go to 5405. I think you exceeded more than 6.
Yeah. VA03. So till yesterday we have discussed about pricing procedure, what it contains, what is the condition technique. Still RVA 001, right? Where is RVA 001? In the customization along with sales area, document pricing procedure, customer pricing procedure, we have associated the RVAA01, that is called pricing procedure. That is part of maintain pricing procedure. If you open maintain pricing procedure, it is having condition types with 16 fields. Condition type is maintained with 16 different fields, and what are those 16 fields? I will discuss right now. In the 16 fields, you know 16 fields? What is the 8th field? What is the 8th field? Then it is not 8. I put it in the forum about the 16 fields and nobody have answered those questions. Anurag, try to answer certain questions on pricing in the.
Okay. Okay. I in fact put few.
Oh, okay.
CRM, I think I put few.
Sharath. Sharath, are you there? Sharath is online. Sharath, like you also have to get into the CRM, this thing, my website, and get into the SD related questions. If you go there, you can post some questions and you'll get some answers back. Quite slow today.
Yeah, I was there the day before actually, but it was all CRM related, lead management and all.
Oh, okay. See, basically you have to understand the pricing analysis process very, very clearly. Like as in yesterday's class, if you can see, like we have discussed about. So there is something called MWST there. How it is working? There is a condition required for MWST saying that 16% tax. That's the reason it is going to automatically it will for all the customers in that client. That means in that the source and destination customers, it will automatically deduct because the pricing procedure says it is based on the condition record says it is based on country, isn't it? It is basically based on the country. Hello? Yes? Yes, yes. క్లాస్లో ఉన్నానండి ఓ హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్. System is quite slow.
It's very temperamental system.
She has given me some user yesterday. It's SD user 4. Sonali?
SD user 1.
It's welcome, right?
Welcome 4.
So here we are talking about MWST. So where did we find this MWST earlier? So go to item, then double click on the, go to conditions, and here it calculates like this. MWST 15% for which country it is. Let me see. Where is it? So you try to do like this, isn't it?
No, you can, yeah. Even for the item, you can select there's an icon at the bottom.
So between the dates, there is a 1% discount here. So amount is 16. Percentage would be, it is an okay. So after this date, the tax is 15%. The date is ended, right, at 2002. So So it's liable for full tax, and this tax is coming from this MWST. And from where this cash discount is coming from? Header. So what is the basis of it? How it has been calculated? You can see SKTO is not defined using condition records. Means what? It is a manual condition. SKTO is a manual condition. So do remember this. When there is no automation, that means it is a. So from this analysis only you can learn the entire pricing. Where does VPRS? We'll have a condition record. It is not having condition. From where it is coming? Which particular view in MM01? From costing view in the Metal Master will bring VPRS. So can anybody calculate this margin calculation? How it has come? How this margin has come?
But by deducting all these things. From
By going to the net
the
value,
selling price.
net value of the selling price, then deducting the tax, deducting the additional discount of 3%. That means after that, from the cost is always 1036. So this has been deducted from the total. Okay, then automatically this price will come. It is from the earnings minus deductions.
End users की value से नहीं करना कैसे?
This will end user should know the margin, very important. Then if you go to the analysis, so that's what he's saying. The total net after selling 4 products, he is getting profit of 4,400. That means each product is getting around 1,000 euros or 1,000 German marks as a profit. So this is what analysis is. So that means it's quite easy to go into this analysis button and find out. You can see PR00 condition record has been found. Access complete. Field in condition table. Value is in document. Through document it has come. Then sales org, distribution channel, material, and what date it is pricing calculated. So it is very in detail. If I go to 10, condition record is missing. So let me go into you can see this. If you go to VPRS, what it is saying? Amount copied from valuation. It is for what condition record? Domestic taxes, right? From here also I can go back to the. If it is export taxes, it would have been 20. That means condition records. How many kinds of condition records we can create for output tax? How many condition records? 1, 2, 3. What are these? Domestic, departure country, export taxes. So this is what you have to know. That's what they'll ask in the interview.
So Incoterm is same like this.
No, international commercial term is different. you see this, right? This SKTO, percentage copied from terms of payment table. You said terms of table, right? This is right. SKTO does that. Cash discount. SKTO. You write this. SKTO, percentage copied from terms of payment table. They are going to ask about these tables. You can see this. One more cash discount, SKTV. Condition ignored because requirement 014 not fulfilled. This requirement is given in condition type. For every condition type, there are 16 different fields, 16 different conditions again. So that means each condition type will have multiple 16 different various conditions which you have to So this you understood about RBA 001, how it is going to be analysis. And so tomorrow, how many of you know about condition technique well? Can you explain condition technique, how it works? How? Wrong answer. No condition technique is based on condition table. How do you explain?
Lots of words. I know what I'm not able to explain. I think it's a standard comment for. I only remember a diagram. Like gave me once. Selecting condition.
No, see, no answer in the pricing area will start with tables, records, master data. If you start answering like this, you are not trying to put your experience together. It's like a fresher. So pricing procedure is dependent on sales area, customer pricing procedure, document pricing procedure. Based on that, determination happens using condition technique. That's it. And procedure is dependent on types depend on access depend on tables. Table works with condition record to do the automation or manual process. That's it. This is the kind of answer you have to give. Otherwise, pricing is going to be a monster for you. No, you can see the recording. So I cannot repeat the same things again and again. So remember, it is not about going to SPRO, pricing control, creating condition tables, access sequence, click, assign, see the output. That way, every student knows what is pricing. But how it works? If it fails, where should I see? If in a support project, he says the pricing project not working, tax calculation is coming as a problem, then you have to see whether it is manual or then go back to the customer condition type. Go back to the condition type customization and see how it is customized. So where will you see? If I want to see condition types, what is the transaction code? Condition type. What is this?
VK13.
V/06. So if I go to MWST, open this, go to the details, You can see this group conditions, and it is a item condition.
Ravi, see in the master data, there's a pricing procedure. It is blank here, right?
This one
On the master data block,
Scroll down.
here it is.
there's a pricing procedure here.
Right.
But if you go to PR00, you'll find a procedure here.
No, see, he did not assign it to a single pricing procedure. That's why he has left it empty.
Okay, so it is not based on one pricing procedure.
One
it's
pricing
like a
procedure. If you want to fix it,
Condition supplement error.
ఏది
అక్కడ PR 000 RV 00.
ఇక్కడ
అదే మాస్టర్ డేటా ఇప్పుడు అనురాగ్
అవును
ప్రైసింగ్ ప్రొసీజర్.
అవును
ఇక్కడ instead of RV 001,
Oh.
you're seeing somewhere like RV all zeros and
Yeah, so it says determines which condition can be used in the document and in which sequence they appear. That means if this particular things, like we can go for the system uses the procedure that you enter here to control the use of condition supplements in records. Supplement is nothing but system determines a condition used for a document, and they are stored with a main condition in a maybe extra discounts or rebates, which are supplements. So that we can mention here. That means only the main one, the principal, the parent pricing procedure we can. And it can be a positive minus also we can use. So let me see the most important one, PR 00, right? It's very frequently we use it. So this one, manual entry has priority. So why it is C? What are the other manual entries you have? Automatic entry has priority, not possible to process manually if I give D. So you know these ABCD conditions? చెప్పలేదు మరి ముందు. It's not early. Tomorrow if you want to go to the interview. They will not accept that. So what are the condition classes you have? What are the list of condition classes you have? You have to come to the class by seeing all these things. If I ask, you have to tell me what is ABC here.
A2O.
This is a definite question they'll ask about condition class, calculation type, condition category. Rest two are not that important, but these three they are going to. Basics, every condition type has this, so you have to learn it. No doubt about it. So what is group condition? Indicates whether the system calculates the basis of scale value from more than one item in the document. You'll remember this. Don't need to write it. Why are you watching then? You have to write. Or you have to read and come. If you have already done this, then don't write. And write this example. This one. This is called a group condition. Material group, where do we give material group? It comes from material master. You write this example. Every field and conditions you have to be clear. Whatever they ask. What is metal group 01? How many metal groups we have in the standard system? That's the reason I say, if somebody knows what is there in the SAP system, it is enough. And lastly, take a printout of how to, just go to Google, how to create pricing procedure. Steps are written. Just follow that. That will give you the sequence at last. Put all these things together. But you have to know every field. That's what in the interview they are going to expect from you. Over. Material, quantity 150, A material, B material. One is 150, one is 100. But both belong to single material. What is material group? How do you define material group? I discussed day before yesterday about when I am discussing about item category group and comparison with material group. That's what. If you don't have basics, it is going to be a tough thing. It's not. So many people think that Metal Master means creating a Metal Master MM01, going, giving views and filling the data and saving it. No, it's not like that. The fields what you enter there, it is going to affect pricing, it is going to affect sales order, it is going to affect billing. Andy Gavaskar, what are metal groups? What is the difference between metal group and a division? They both are very, very well related. And write the major definition of the group condition. Indicate when the system calculates the basis for the scale value from more than one item in the document. Scale ante up till 50 products, this much price. From 51st product, this is the discount. And under the example, you also write this: scale, quantity, discount. Whenever they say group condition means what? Similar kind of products, when he takes, there is a discount. 2 items, both are made of cast iron. Then I'll give him a discount, because now the iron price is down. So I have to compete with the market. Discount means, what he says is
Inclusion.
From first piece onwards you have 1% discount. From 200 till 1 to 200 same discount. From 200 piece it is 2%.
But why you see minus there?
But that is the discount.
Okay.
Like if you put plus, that means it will be 100 rupees product will be 102 rupees. If it is minus 2, it is 98 rupees.
Inclusion.
So Ravi, can we say it's like a volume discount?
Material group and material.
Hello? Hello?
Could you tell us, sir?
Anurag, sir was on a call. 2 minutes.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Same material. Okay. And the same performance for the discount is presentation. Condition exclusion, condition supplement, pricing 16 weeks చేస్తాం సప్లిమెంట్స్ కండిషన్ ఎవరికైనా తెలుసు సప్లిమెంట్ ఇంక్లూజన్ ఎక్స్క్లూజన్
You are staying till 1, right? You are also staying till 1. Home out of home. Second home. I am fresher, this is my second year, so I don't know. It will take time for me to make it.
Sorry, Anurag, just I was away for a few minutes. So, group condition is something. See, what you have to do is, you have to go into every field. Suppose you go to scales, what is this quantity scale? What does it mean by scale? Yes.
No, my question was like a group condition. Can we say it's like a volume-based discount?
Which one? Yeah.
The group condition.
Yes. That's what quantity discount.
Yeah. So if you take beyond this, you will get this price. If you take below this, you will get
Absolutely.
this
If
price.
you want to affect that, but what he has done is, he has checked the group condition. That means if there is a scale, it is going to work. If I remove this, even though you give something in the condition record scale, it doesn't work. For that reason only, he is giving a. Still, we can go for routines now. First of all, you understand these basics, then we can. And what he says, should be amount or percentage. Anything you give, it works. So that's what he says. And you can say manual entry has priority. That means manual entry has priority, and this is going to be a item condition. That means according to the latest price, you can always change it. And here it is. Your question. You can see this pricing procedure.
Yes.
So this is where it is going to be depend on, and do not delete from the database. This is the condition, right? And condition update whenever it happens. What is this condition update? Condition update. Where did we see
Only
this?
updated effects, right?
Condition update.
It's checked.
No, you have to sit on the screens for at least some 100 hours. You have to spend it, because coming back, going back, coming back, going back. So then only you'll understand. This is the update button, you can see. So that's what it says, condition update. So if you So each field you have to be perfect with. So this is one thing, and the other thing is, So what procedure we have to see? Frequently what we are seeing? RV A001. This one all of you know very well. Right? So the control mechanism of pricing procedure will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, mandatory 7th. You have to know the numbers perfectly.
Required.
8 is required.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have like this, these are all 16 different fields. And you have to know each field how it operates. They may be empty, but each field how it operates. So I want all of you to go to each field, press F1 and come back to me. Tomorrow's session. Right? All 16 fields. Let us discuss about this, and simple one pricing procedure will pick up and assign it to. No need of going to creating your own enterprise structure, creating your own master data. Don't. That is what students do. Pricing procedure means I have created my master data, I have created my sales order, I have created my pricing procedure is working. Then I know everything about pricing. This is what 98% or 99% students say. But that is not, that is only thing is you learned how to browse. That means click, 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 save. So when we give you a typical scenario, you cannot work without knowing all these internal points. So that's why pricing becomes the most important topic, because it is complex, no doubt about it. At a layman level, you cannot learn. Right? So tomorrow we'll catch up at the same time. Right, Sharath?
Okay, Ravi.
Yeah, Sonali.